We're here at the completion of the job on opening day, which is obviously proving to be very successful. We started design back in December, January this year. We broke ground in March this year and we've completed the project inside 8 months. Proving to be a very tight program for us, but with the help of all the subcontractors and the great work by the site team, it is what it is today.
All going really well so far. I've had a few people say it's the best opening they've seen. The numbers are great. Everyone's really happy and yeah, it's been the end of a hard couple of weeks, but very happy about where we are today.
Welcome to the official opening of Woolworths Watervale, and I thank you all for coming.
And of course, a very special welcome to residents and staff of the new Woolworths store.
Australians, all let us rejoice, for we are young and free.
It's gone absolutely crazy here, mate. Just have a look around. There's people absolutely everywhere. It's probably better than anticipated. Certainly a great community around here too, and the site being purposely built, I think it's just going to draw more people into this community being Taylors Hill.
Always a big buzz to open a new store. Lots of people in the car park. The centre looks fantastic and we're expecting a very, very good couple of opening weeks. The medical centre is a much needed service in the outer suburbs, and we've already had patients come in, walk in today and have consultations.
Things are looking really good at the moment, so fingers crossed it'll keep going that way for the years to come.
Yeah, it's good, it's great. There's a lot of people, a lot of customers, a lot of shoppers. It's what you need. You've got all your green groceries, you know, you've got your meats, you've got everything, you know. It's exciting, it's a good atmosphere today.
Very nervous, very excited, very anxious, but yeah, positive. It's been a hard, long journey and it's the first time dealing with a shopping centre like this, and we're very proud to be here, and we've worked really hard. With all our support, we're going to try our best, and I think with positive attitudes we'll do really well.
Australia's been great. You know, we've had they've pushed over a few hard hills for us, so yeah, no, they've gone the extra step, definitely.
It's a new experience for us, so it's a lot of work, but yeah, very happy, and we'll do it again. Yes, most definitely.
Certainly dealing with professionals has made the store easy to deal with and easy to open, and certainly a professional crowd too, so thank you very much.